Hello, sweet dear, sweet soul. Never ask for a kiss, just take it. Never give a hug, ask for it. Never ask, do you love me? First say, I love you. Never say, I can't live without you. Say, I live for you. Missing someone when you are alone is not affection, but thinking of someone even when you are busy is called real affection. My dear, my sweetheart, many reasons to love you. I tried writing your name on the sand, my dear, but the waves washed it away slowly, my dear. And I tried to write your name in the sky, my dear, my sweet baby. But the wind blew it away. So I wrote your name. I wrote your name in my heart, my dear, my sweet. I know it's always going to stay in my heart because I love you. Will always do. Love is like a golden chain that links our hearts together. And if you ever break that chain, you shall break my heart forever. So many times, my dear, so many times I thought I had never find someone to love me, my dear, the way I needed to be loved. Then you come in my life and showed me what true love is, my dear. What true love really is, I learn from you, my dear, my sweet baby. Thanks for watching, like, share.